I have explained the aspect ratio property in CSS in simple language. After watching this video, you will be able to use aspect ratio property in CSS effortlessly. Without further ado, let's get into it. So what is aspect ratio in CSS? According to W3 Schools, the aspect ratio property allows you to define the ratio between width and height of an element. In other words, you can easily control the width or height of an element using the aspect ratio property. Say you want the width of an element to be variable, while the height increases or decreases based on the width. This is where aspect ratio in CSS comes in. Let us see an example. But before I do that, let me give you a brief about aspect ratio syntax. The aspect ratio syntax in CSS is shown on the screen. So the first value represents the width and the second value represents the height. So here I have a div with an ID demo div. I have set the width and height of that div to 400 px. Now what I will do is remove the height and use the aspect ratio property instead. Let's remove it and add the aspect ratio. I have set the aspect ratio to 1:1 or 1:1. Here is an interesting thing to note. The aspect ratio property will take the 400 px as its first value and the height is also the same. If I want to change the height to, let's say, 800 px, which is 400 multiplied by 2, then I will set the aspect ratio to 1:2 or 1:2. Again, if you want the height to be, let's say, 1200 px, then you have to set it to 1/3. You can also use hard-coded values for height and use aspect ratio property to define the width. In other words, to double the width, use 2/1. To triple the width, use 3/1, and so on. One more thing, the aspect ratio property will not work if you set both height and width for an element. Needless to say, if you are using aspect ratio property, then you should use percentage rather than a px or any other units. Now, what if you don't specify the height or width? Like here, I didn't specify any of them, width or height. Guess what will happen? If you set aspect ratio to 1:1 without providing the height or width, then the element or the div width and height will become 100% or auto. As you can see, the height will increase alongside the width. In other words, equal height and equal width if the aspect ratio is 1:1.